Hi. In today's video, I'll show you how to merge duplicate contacts on your Android device. To get started, open the Contacts app on your Android phone. Tap the menu or your profile icon, then select Manage Contacts, Fix and Manage, or Settings, depending on your device. Next, tap Merge and Fix, merge duplicate contacts, or merge contacts if the option is available. Your phone will scan for duplicate contacts and display a list of matches. Review the suggested duplicates, then tap Merge, Combine, or Merge All to combine the matching contacts into a single entry. Once the process is complete, your contact list will be cleaner and easier to manage. If your contacts are synced with your Google account, the merged changes will also sync across your other devices. And that's it, you've successfully merged duplicate contacts on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.